So today, I got a package in the mail. Welcome RC enthusiasts to the first ever video from Dad Bought RC. Today, I got a package in the mail. It is this package right here, actually. You'll notice there's a logo on there, WPL, if anybody knows what that is. Anyway, I've been waiting for this for about a month. I'm super excited. This is, I think, going to be a lot of fun for us and the channel. So I want to get it open. Super excited. I like me a good Kershaw, by the way. Let's open her up. Don't read my address. It's private information. Anyway, I'm going to spin it around so you can see it from your angle. Look at that. Beautiful bubble wrap package. So lift it out. Okay. A little more cutting. Off-road racing series kit. I hear some things. I definitely hear some things in there. Wow, look at all the stuff, man. So, this is a kit that I purchased. You couldn't tell. There's the metal differential. This one has, there's my battery and charger. And I got the sound kit. Yes, that is a speaker. This is going to have a sound kit, whatever this mystery item is. Here looks to be some tail lights there. This is a 2-speed transmission. Cable, random switch. This is a heavy bag. Carriers, some differential carriers. A couple of them it looks like in there. This is odd. What is this? Why did I get 2 of these? I don't get it, but okay. It looks like there's multiples in here. This would be what I would assume is the stock, and this is the upgrade. So maybe they just packed the upgrade. So this is the stock 1-speed small motor, and this is the 2-speed with a much bigger cam. Now into the good part. What is it? Ooh, that is the bed of a truck. And this is the cab. Yeah, check that out. This is a WPL B-14. It's a 12 scale vehicle. Anyway, it's going to go like that. And this is our next kit we're going to build. There we go. It's already open, so we'll open it up. Let's see what this looks like. This looks pretty good, man. The molding looks good. They even colored the winch in. And that is nice. It's well molded. The mirrors open up. I'm assuming there's going to be a sticker that goes there. It's got dual exhaust on the back. It does have some interior components. I'll try to show you some of that in there. I don't know if you can see it. Bucket seats. I think the hood opens. Yep, the hood does in fact open. That's nice. It's really well molded. I'm excited to get this thing together. We have to open the tires and see what kind of compound this is. Now this is a little hard.
Wow, that is really hard.
That's what she said. Michael.
For my liking, but that's okay. Oh, and look at that. I did get wheel weights for this. Yes, there absolutely are wheel weights. So it's going to be pre-wheel weight because this is the upgrade kit. Let's see what one of these wheels looks like, actually. Yeah, so it's a basic military wheel. Those are some big weights for these wheels. I'm really hoping that goes together. I missed the frame rails. Yeah, steel frame rails. Yep. Take the box out of the way. Okay, so now that everything is out of the box, we will build this kit. I'm going to build it stock, obviously, at first. I'm going to get it all built stock, and then we're going to take the body off, and I'm going to paint it. So I've got some ideas for colors on this. I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but I can tell you it won't be green when it's done. It won't be the factory green. And I will say, this factory green they've got, it's nice and matte. It doesn't look really, like, it's not shiny. So it actually looks pretty good. And so, anyway, we're going to do another paint scheme on it for sure. I've got plans to make it a specific kind of truck. We may 3D print some parts and laser cut some styrene for it to make some things. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So anyway, I'm going to get this thing built, and I will catch you guys here in a little bit.
2 hours later.
Alright everybody, as you can see, I did get the truck built. So this was not the world's easiest build. I've done a few kits. This one's instructions were lacking. I did get the metal kit, which I believe was the problem. So it had like a one-pager for the B-14 itself, and it assumed that you were just getting the plastic kit. So it basically had no instructions when it came to the upgrade parts. The build did go well, it was just tedious. So I had to do a few things and then undo them and then redo them and undo them a bunch of times and put the battery in and make sure it was turning the right direction. There was all kinds of little things that I had to do. There were a few things like the shifting servo that caused me to tear it apart a few times and put it back together in some stages because it was just null in the instructions. It didn't say anything about a shifting servo. So I had to figure that one out completely on my own, and it was already in the frame rails, so I had to finagle that thing in there. Anyway, it was not an easy build. It was fun. It did take me a couple of hours, and I would expect it would take anybody else about the same. It is overcomplicated. Do not make this your first kit. If this is the first time you are wrenching on a scale RC, you will be sadly disappointed. Do not do it. Go buy the ready to run, tear it apart a few times, figure it out, and then buy the metal component upgrades. That will make you the happiest, I promise. Because if you buy this kit straight out of the gate, even though you're saving yourself a few dollars, you will have a hard time putting it together. I have a lot of experience putting things like this together, and it still gave me a little bit of trouble. So I would anticipate anybody for the first time would have a whole boatload of trouble. Just don't put yourself in that position. I highly recommend to anybody who has done several kit builds and wants to take on something a little bit more adventurous on a budget. It's pretty cool. So now that I've got the truck stock built, I'm going to modify it. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it alone. I don't own anything that's not modified at least a little bit. In fact, I'm not going to lie, I already modified it a little. I didn't enjoy the turning radius, so I may have done a couple of things. But anyway, we'll get to that. Before I do any modifications, I'm going to shoot some running footage and do a review as built for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to Dadbot RC. That video should be coming out in the next week or so. You definitely want to follow up and catch it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching so much, and we will talk to you later.